Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Novel Elijah from the Information Technology program. In this presentation, I will be talking about the history of cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resource, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. Layers cloud often have function distributed over multiple locations, each of which is data center. Cloud computing relies on sharing of resources to achieve coherence and typically use a pay-as-you-go model, which can help in reducing capital expense but may also lead to unexpected operating expense per user. History of cloud computing. Cloud computing has a rich history which extends back to the 1960s, with the initial concept of time sharing become popularized by a remote job entry. The data center model, where users submit jobs to operator to run on mainframes, was predominantly used during this era. This was a time of exploration and experimentation with ways to make large-scale computing power available to more users through time sharing, optimizing the infrastructure, platform, and application, and increasing efficiency of for the end user. The cloud metaphor for virtualized service dates to 1994, when it was used by General Magic for the universe of Flash that mobile again in the Telescript environment could do. The metaphor is credited to David Hockman, a General Magic communication specialist, based, based on its long-standing use in networking and telecom. The expression cloud computing became more widely known in 1996 when Compaq Computer Corporation drew up a business plan for future computing and the internet. The company's ambition was to supercharge sales with cloud computing enabled application. The business plan foresaw that online consumer file storage would likely be commercially successful. As a result, Compaq decided to sell server hardware to internet service provider. In the 2000, the application of cloud computing began to take shape with the establishment of Amazon Web Service in 2002, which allowed developers to build applications independently. In 2006, the beta version of Google Docs was released. Ama- Amazon Simple Storage Service, known as Amazon S3, and the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. In 2008, NASA development of the first open source software for deploying private and hybrid clouds. Next, the following decade saw the launch of various cloud services. Into in 2010, Microsoft launched Microsoft Azure and Rackspace Hosting, and NASA initiated an open source cloud software project, OpenStack. IBM introduced the IBM Smart Cloud Framework in 2011, and Oracle announced the Oracle Cloud in 2012. In December of 2019, Amazon launched AWS Outpost, a service that extends AWS infrastructure, service APS, and tools to customer data center, co-location space, or on-premise facilities. Since the global pandemic of 2020, cloud technology has surged in popularity due to the level of data security it offers and the flexibility of working option it provides for all employees. notably remote worker, security and privacy. Cloud computing poses privacy concern because the service provider can access the data that is in the cloud at any time. It could accidentally or deliberately alter or delete information. Many cloud providers can share information with third parties if necessary for purpose of law and order without a warrant. That is permitted in their privacy policies, which users must agree to before they start using cloud service. Solutions to privacy include policy and legislation as well as end user choice for how data is stored. User can encrypt data that is processed or stored within the cloud to prevent unauthorized access. Identity management system can also provide practical solutions to privacy concern in cloud computing. This system distinguishes between authorized and unauthorized user and determine the amount of data that is accessible to each entity. The system works by creating and describing identities, recording activities, and getting rid of unused identities. Next, according to the Cloud Security Alliance, the top three threats in the cloud are insecure interface and APS, data loss and leakage, and hardware failure, which accounted for 29%, 25%, and 10% of all cloud security attacks, respectively. Together, this forms shared technology vulnerabilities in a cloud provider platform being shared by different users. There may be a possibility that information belonging to different customers reside on the same data server. Additionally, Eugene School chief technology officer at Imaginet Security said that hackers are spending substantial time and effort looking for ways to penetrate the cloud. There are some real Achilles heels in the cloud infrastructure that are making big holes for the bad guys to get into. Because data from hundreds or thousands of companies can be stored on like cloud servers, hackers can theoretically gain control of huge stores of information through a single attack process he called hyperjacking. Some example of this include the Dropbox security breach, the Dropbox security breach, and iCloud 2014 leak. Dropbox had been breached in October 2014, having over 7 million of its user passwords stolen by hacker in an effort to get monetary value from it by Bitcoins or BTC. By having this password, they are able to read private data as well as have this data be indexed by search engine, and it's making the information public. And next, the attacks that can be made on cloud computing system in- include man-in-the-middle attacks, phishing attack, authentication attacks, and malware attacks. One of the largest threats is considered to be malware attacks, such as Trojan horse. Recent research conducted in 2022 has revealed that the Trojan horse injection method is a serious problem with harmful impacts on cloud computing system. That's from me. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.